So, hello dear Aquarius, a very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a journal of reading for all the Aquarius Sun, Moon, Venus rising. And keep in mind, this is journal, it might or might not resonate with you at the first place. And the second thing, the roles can be reversed anytime. And this is a reading from today till the 10th of September. So, let's start, honey. Aquarius, your partner's current energy right now is, Aquarius. Your partner's current energy right now is, let's see. Your partner's current energy right now is, let's see. Star could be dealing with an Aquarius, another Aquarius here. So yes, definitely this is you. And definitely this person is thinking about you. Aquarius, your person right now is thinking about you. They are very hopeful. They are very positive about you and about this connection with you. They are feeling like, yeah, might be this connection or this thing is not working out right now, but this will work out in the future. They are being very positive and hopeful about this connection with you right now, because the star card is for you only. You are the star, Aquarius, and this card is in their energy. So you are all over their energy right now, okay? You are 24/7 in their head. Let's clarify the star card in their current energy, Aquarius. Let's see. Let's clarify. Six of Cups, the Seven of Wands, the Six of Pentacles. I feel like this person is missing you very deeply, but they are not showing it to you. They're acting very defensive, cold and detached. They're like, no, I don't give a fuck to you. Okay, Aquarius, just go back. But they are deeply missing you. They're deeply missing your fragrance. They're deeply missing what you guys had together in the recent past or in the past, okay? They want to have equal give and take of energy. They want to have participation in this connection, okay? They want to have, celebration with you regarding this connection. They want you. They badly want you. They are badly missing you. They are feeling nostalgic about you. And they are constantly in this nostalgic phase right now about this particular connections. They see Six of Cups, Seven of Wands, and the Six of Pentacles. Okay? So this person wants to have a reconciliation with you. This person wants to this connection to be as it was in the past, as it used to be in the past, but acting cold and detached and off. But I feel like they will soon break down and they will come back to you. I am feeling it intuitively, Aquarius. Let's see what's your current energy. Honey, what's your current energy right now? Aquarius, your current energy right now is, let's see. Four of Pentacles, you're holding back. You're trying to control your emotions, might be. You're trying to control your life. You are being a total control freak right now. I feel like you're holding back a lot of things. You are might be holding back, or you're trying to control each and everything. So whatever is yours, you feel like, no, I'm not letting go of anything. This is very dear thing to me. This person might be very dear to me, or this particular thing or this something is very dear to me. I'm not letting them go anywhere. This is control issues right now, holding back a lots of things, trying to control lots of things in your life right now. No, Aquarius, don't do that. Release the control, otherwise you will be in a mess, in a greater mess as you are right now. Okay, let's clarify the Four of Pentacles and your current energy, Aquarius. The Hermit could be dealing with the Virgo here, Knight of Cups, my God, and the Ten of Swords. I feel like you are trying to go within and trying to seek answers. Whether I love this person, do I really love this person? Do I really need this person in my life? But again, the feeling of betrayal is coming to your mind again and again. You are feeling like, yeah, I do have feelings for this person. Your soul is telling you again and again. Your soul is actually screaming at you like, yeah, you love this person. You have lots of emotions for this person. But you are feeling like this person backstabbed you, betrayed you, or left you, hanging on the wall, or left you without any reason in the past. So you are trying to control your emotions. Okay? Trying to control your emotions right now. Okay? This is the situation here. This is what you are feeling, experiencing right now. Okay, Aquarius? Let's see what this person feels for you, their feelings for you. Let's see. Okay, the Sun. They feel like you are the apple of their eyes. Yeah, they feel like you really make them happy. Could be dealing with a Leo here, or might be there's strong Leo in their chart. You can check that. Okay, so this person feels like you really make them happy. So whenever you are with them, you really make them, wow, make them feel like a kid and like a beautiful energy of kid. Okay, they really enjoy your company, they really feel like you are the happiest person on earth for them. Nice. Let's clarify the sun as their feelings for you. This is the happiest card in the deck, and they feel for you, and they feel the happiest when they are with you. Justice could be dealing with the Libra here, 3 of swords, sorry, and the lovers. Okay. Okay. So I'm getting now the whole reading is converted into a third party situation here. I feel like this person is doing justice with you with this connection, because they feel like they're the happiest when they are with you, and they are breaking up with somebody else, or they are leaving the third party because of you, because now they're realizing that you make them really happy, you are the love of their life, because the lovers is here, could be dealing with a Libra or Gemini here. So this person wants to do justice with them, with their feelings, and their feelings are telling them like they are heartbroken, they're completely heartbroken, shattered or depressed because of the third party, and now they want to leave the third party and come back to you because they feel like you make them really happy. Okay, because they feel like you really make them happy. They feel like they should just leave the third party, and they are feeling like they should do justice with their own emotions, with their own belief, or with their own life, and their emotions are telling them again and again that you are the one for them, you are the one who make them really happy. Okay, who you are the one who give them goosebumps whenever you're around them, butterflies. Okay, kind of lovey-dovey kind of situation. So what they want from you, Page of Pentacles, they want to have a message from you, they want to have a communication with you, they want to open up the gates of communication with you, they want to text you, and they want to restart this connection with you, sorry. Okay, this person wants to restart this connection with you. Might be they're going to connect with you on that level of like, hi, how are you doing, Aquarius, and what's up, and let's meet somewhere in a cafeteria or something. Okay, it's like that. Okay, let's clarify the Page of Pentacles. Let's see. Let's clarify the Page of Pentacles. The World, the Magician, and the High Priestess. Oh. So I feel like this person is manifesting you big time, and they're using all the techniques, might be love spells, or might be using some kind of law of attraction techniques, or there's manifestation techniques. I feel like after the breakup thing, after you guys were separated, this person is constantly manifesting you back. Or Aquarius, it might be you. It might be you who is constantly, manifesting them back in your life, and you are like using law of attraction techniques, or you are using some kind of spells, or you are using some kind of techniques which are not even known to the common people. But I don't see any kind of black magic kind of thing here, but yes, manifestation, strong manifestation is here. Okay, I feel like you want to reconnect with this person on a surface level. You feel like I am going to connect with this person on a surface level only, with a friendship kind of thing only, but deep down you need this person in your life. Deep down you feel like you need them badly in your life, because you still have lots of emotions for them. Okay, so this person wants to open up the gates of communication between you and them, and I feel like you want them back as well, and you are using the law of attraction techniques and whatnot to get them back in your life. Don't lie to me. Come on, Aquarius, come on. Okay, let's see what is coming towards you till the 10th of September, Aquarius. Let's see what's coming towards you till 10th of September. Tower. I okay. I feel like you are going to talk to each other. You guys will have a communication with each other, but you guys are going to break up with each other. 10th of September till 10th of September, because the Tower moment is here, because this is the ending of some kind of weak foundation. Okay, I feel like after this Tower moment, after this sudden realization, might be it is some kind of sudden realization that you are going to feel like, yeah, you will suddenly realize something. You will suddenly realize, or they will suddenly realize that, yeah, I should go back to my Aquarius, I should just talk to them, I should have a conversation with them. I will clarify the Tower. Okay, what kind of realization or what kind of separation thing is happening. Let's clarify the Tower as a potential outcome for you guys, Aquarius. Let's see. Two of Swords, the King of Pentacles, and the Eight of Wands. Yeah. I feel like they will suddenly realize that they are no more in this confusing state of mind. They have healed from the past, and after this, breakup thing, they are feeling like now I am completely healed. Now I'm mature enough and strong enough to communicate with you, to communicate with my Aquarius. Okay, so there is back and forth communication coming in after this sudden realization that they have lots of feelings for you. They still love you. They still have lots of emotions for you. I feel like this person is coming back towards you, okay? And there will be lots of back and forth communication. And after this communication, I feel like you guys are going to fight. Okay, this communication will certainly lead you both into a battle, or into a never ending battle, or into a dispute or something. But you guys are going to fight with each other because you both have lots of emotions for each other, okay? And eventually I feel like you guys are going to be together. I feel like by 10th of September, if it is not happening by 10th of September, it is going to happen in the near future, like by 20th or 25th of September. This is going to happen. Might be till 10th of September, you guys are going to start a conversation, and again, you guys are going to take a break from each other, or you guys are going to be on a breakup again, or be on a separation again. But with time, eventually, I feel like you both will be on the same page, and both will reconnect, and both will be happy. Okay, with time, not till 10th of September. It will happen, but it will take time. Okay, so thank you so much, Aquarius, for tuning in. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste. Bye bye.